Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my new video. Friends, what I am going to tell you in this video is very much interesting because in this video we are talking about famous Greek superstition people still believe. So friends, let's get started our video without any delay. The first one is evil eye. A superstition shared by all Greeks is the evil eye or meti. It is believed that someone can cast the evil eye onto another person out of envy, either good or bad, and jealousy. You are said to be Metias Manos, the evil eye has been cast upon you. If you are dizzy or have a headache and yawn a lot, the good news is that you can have the spell broken by someone who knows how to do a special ritual done with oil, water, and prayers. And the second one is spitting for good luck. There are definitely some different superstition in which Greeks take part. Being split only probably one of them. That's right. Spitting on someone is a way of diminishing any form of evil energy or presence. It's actually more of a Ftou. So just be aware. Greeks apply the spitting superstition at weddings as well. If someone compliments the bride dress, they must split Ftou 3 times to ward off any negative force that might be at work. In fact, it is not at all uncommon to hear a chorus of Ftou as the bride glides down the aisle. And the next one is power of salt. In this superstition, you will know the what is actual power of salt. Science has already proven the power of salt, but according to Greek tradition, having anyone to leave the house is as simple as sprinkling salt behind them. Try it out the next time an unexpected visitor is there. Before going in, a little bit of salt sprinkling into the doorway of each room is often believed to chase away any bad energies. And our next is never hand someone a knife. Greeks believe people should never hand a knife directly into another person's hand if they want to stay friends. Instead, they tend to place the knife on the table and let the other pick it up themselves. And the next one is never give perfume as a gift. Greece has a weird taboo against giving someone perfume as it is thought to ruin any kind of relationship. Well, this is very deep meaning, but still it's too weird. To counter this, the recipient of the gift hands the giver a coin in return. And the next one is Kofita or Kofito. Tradition has it that if a single woman plays the Kofito is a sugared almond given at Greek weddings. So if a single woman plays the Kofito under the pillow before sleeping, she will dream of the man she will marry. So friends, that's all for today. I hope you like the video. Comment us your strange and weird superstition among all of them. We will meet in next video. For that, take care.